This was the 11th atmospheric river of the year, the season. We're only in March. None of us naive about what we're looking forward to next week, potentially on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 12th atmospheric river. As we were talking in the back of the car, as we were driving the levee, how proud they are of this community, and the word over and over that was used, resilience. And so it's in that spirit of resilience and the spirit of recovery that we're here with great expectations and expectations that will be met, and accountability with the state, federal, and local leaders.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.